Hi there. Let's continue with page settings. The basic page settings are name, description, and menu icon. The name and icon are required, but the description of the page is not. When you are using the element content slider, pay attention to fill in the description, because the phrase will be used in the slider. If you want your page to have a background, scroll down to advanced settings. Here you can choose an image from your computer to be the background of your page. You can position it to stretch width and height, fit to width and fit to height. Other functionality that you can set is to hide footer and header. You can use it for the first page or some pages that are for drawing or reading. You may need authentication of users or sign-in page. If you want to remove padding from sides and top, only press yes, or if you need to mirror an entire page from your website in this particular page, just enter the URL here. But note that not every website can be mirrored, so please check your CORS policy. When you use the element content slider, beside filling in the description, you must fill the page thumbnail and choose an image that represents this page. The most important thing is to write the exact same category of the content slider to work correctly. Watch the next tutorial on how to give color to your application.